Hi, this is Premchandra SG, pursuing my MCA in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and this topic is about weather data logger, and this is the introduction of my video. uh, in weather data logger, what are the tables that we are using? That are user table, sensor table, weather record table, alert table, and how to create user table by creating table user table by creating table user is a name, and user id integer primary key, and the name variable character. It should be not null, and email variable character. It should be unique and it should be not null, and role where character, and it should be also not null. And how to insert the data? First we are we are giving the command insert into user is a table name, and user id, name, email, role, and values that are giving is 1 ram ram.gmail.com, and admin is admin, and like this we are adding some of the other user also. And now this is the user table, and you can see it on the screen. And to view the user table, select start from users. And uh, next is about creating sensor table. Create table sensors. Sensor id, it is a primary key, and location, it should be not null. Sensor type, it is also not, should not be not null. And activity, active and inactive, uh, like status should be also not null, and active or inactive. And this is the data that are we are inserting into the table. Insert into sensor id, location, sensor type, and status. Values that are giving is 101 is a id, and New York is a location. Sensor type is a temperature, like humid, or windy speed, temp and other things. And status is active or inactive. Active means it is going on, or inactive means it's not. And this is the table that we have inserted some data to table. And to view the sensor table is select star from sensors. And next is about creating weather record table. And in this create table weather records, record id is it should not be a it is a primary key. Sensor id, it should be not null, and recorded at, it is a time that whenever the what are the weather is going on. And temperature, it should it is in decimal form. You uh, humid is also in decimal form. Wind speed also is in decimal form. It can be decimal form. Foreign key, uh, sensor id is taken from the sensor table, and reference is sensor id. So uh, this is a table to create weather records, and these are the data that we are inserting into the weather data records. Insert into weather data records, weather records, record id, sensor id, recorded at temperature, humidity, wind speed, and values that we are giving for this is 1001 is a record id, and sensor id is 101, and 2025 16 March is date that it is recorded. And temperature is 22 0.5 degrees Celsius, and humidity is null and speed is null. uh, and this is the weather recorded data table. And to view the weather recorded data table is select star from weather record. And this is the table for alert. And create table alert. Alert id is a primary key. Sensor id is not null. And alert message is a text, it should be not null. Alert level is a varchar, not null. Like warning or critical. Triggered at is a time when it is when it is recorded. And foreign key by sensor id reference to the sensors table. And data that inserted into the alert table is insert into alert id, sensor id, alert message, alert level, triggered at. Values that are we are giving for this table is 201 is the alert id, sensor id is 101, and high temperature is detected is the alert message, and alert level is warning, and triggered at is a time when it was recorded. It was recorded on 2025 03 16. And this is a table for the alert record. Alert table. To view alert table is star, select star from alerts. And this is the year time for the weather data logger. And in this rectangulars are entities, and ovals are attributes. Entities is a real world object. And attributes describes the properties of the entity, like age, name, id. And entities is a real world object, like a user, sensors, weather record, alert. And this this diamond shape is relations. And when and this is the year diagram for the weather data level. Thank you.